Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty here to share with you one of my childhood favorite memories from growing up. My grandma, because we had such a humongous extended family, would always fry up canned potatoes for breakfast down the shore. In her pantry, she had tons and tons of cans of these Del Monte canned potatoes. They fried up super fast, faster than any frozen potato or having to make them from scratch, as much as we love making things homemade. They are just delicious, super simple, and easy to feed a crowd with. So I'm showing you how I make them on the Blackstone for a breakfast bowl on a busy morning for my family here. Before I show you guys how you can do that at home, be sure to go to the Blackstone Products YouTube channel, click the subscribe button, click that bell, tell your friends to do the same. That way you guys don't miss any notifications from us every time we put a recipe video out there for you guys to try at home on your Blackstone. Now, into these canned potatoes. You're gonna love them, and they're super easy for breakfast or dinner, but we're getting ready to make some breakfast bowls, so let's get to it. Now, you can start with any breakfast meat that you want. I have some bacon that I just diced up. I like to put that on my griddle as soon as I turn it on, right at low heat. That way this bacon fat can start to render and it begins to cook nice and slow. Instead of throwing the bacon onto a sizzling hot griddle, you'll get some shrinkage. So start your bacon out on a cold or just turned on Blackstone. Now I'm just going to add some butter and olive oil. I'm going to go 50-50. That way we don't have anything burning. Add some diced onions. You can use white or yellow. Let them start cooking with my canned potatoes. These potatoes I just opened up. I throw them into a colander and rinse them off and let them hang out for a minute or so just to quickly dry off. Add them to my hot griddle and let them start to cook with those onions. To make my breakfast bowl nice and cheesy, I'm going to hand grate some cheddar cheese. I really suggest, as always, using freshly grated cheese versus the bagged cheese, which have an additive to it, which won't give you that super melty cheese that I love with my food. So I'm just going to scramble up some eggs. To my eggs, I'm adding some half and half. I always suggest using cream or milk or half and half. That way you get beautiful fluffy eggs. To my potatoes, I'm adding some breakfast blend from Blackstone. This is one of my favorite seasonings. Add that, give it a toss, check on my bacon, and everything is looking so delicious. You can add a little bit more butter to your potatoes if needed. Once they are just about done and my bacon's looking perfect, I'm gonna add the bacon to the potatoes, adding all of that bacon grease, which is gonna help these potatoes get super crispy and that beautiful brown color on the edges. Once my potatoes and bacon look like they are ready and done, I'm gonna slide them to the side, leaving behind some of that grease. Turn off all my burners and add my eggs to slowly cook on that residual heat. Using the Blackstone scraper, which is my favorite tool, just gently slide them around that Blackstone griddle top so that they cook nice and low and slow. Add a little bit of butter if you'd like to have your eggs extra buttery. Either way, that half and half and the heat off, cooking them nice and slow with that spatula is going to create a really fluffy egg. I'm going to plate up my potatoes, my bacon, top it off with that freshly grated cheddar cheese to start to melt into those potatoes. Top them off with my beautiful eggs, a little bit more cheese, some parsley for color. I'm using dried parsley, and a little sprinkle of the breakfast blend. And this is done and ready to serve up to my family. I like to serve it up in a nice bowl like this. This way everybody can take a scoop or two or three of potatoes and the eggs. Pick yourself up a few cans of the Del Monte potatoes and let me know what you guys think. Take a picture, post it, tag Blackstone Betty, because we can't wait to see if you guys enjoy them as much as we do. It's a fun shortcut instead of using frozen or having to dice up potatoes in the morning. So I hope you guys enjoy them. Be sure to go to that Blackstone Products YouTube channel, click the subscribe button, click the bell, and never miss any notifications from us each and every week. And until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys in the next video.